Discover the secret to radiant skin and gut health that transforms your appearance. Primebiome stands out with its unique blend of ingredients targeting cell turnover and microbiome health. Imagine experiencing vibrant skin along with a revitalized gut, creating a holistic sense of well-being. With our money-back guarantee, trying Primebiome is completely risk-free for an impressive 60 days. Countless satisfied customers order in bulk, experiencing the powerful benefits for extended periods. Ordering 6 bottles offers phenomenal discounts, free shipping, and 2 invaluable online guides. Every delightful gummy is meticulously crafted with scientifically backed, potent ingredients for maximum effectiveness. Simply take 1 probiotic gummy daily to unlock the transformative potential of this formula. Rest assured, your purchase comes with no hidden fees or confusing subscriptions, just one simple transaction. Join the journey to better health and glowing skin, enhancing your life with Primebiome today.